are the speaker cables. There's going to be a 7-speaker surround sound system. In the rear we're going to have two 6x9s and a subwoofer on the floor, and 4 speakers in the front. For the lighting system, I have a 4-way LED ceiling light kit, and what I do now is put them in place using some saddles and some cable ties just to map out where they go and get the cable lengths right. At this point I'm laying a few more low voltage DC 12-volt cables to supply fans and other accessories, and also the high voltage 230-volt AC cables, which are all protected within plastic conduit. The solar panels MC4 cables come through the roof, and I'm just using cable ties to attach them to the ceiling, which then feeds through the door pillar and down into the solar controller. Some of the more observant among you will notice that I've mounted my reverse camera upside down to hang underneath the car. And of course that means the image is flipped on the monitor. So to get around this, I took apart the monitor assembly and rotated the screen 180 degrees. So here you can see the two reverse cameras. This one is redundant. This is the old one that was hanging a little bit low. So this is the upgrade here, which is high definition, wide angle, night vision. Okay, so now we're going to test the reverse camera. We've got a monitor built into the rear view mirror here. So I'll put it in reverse. Oh, I think I need to go and investigate something outside. And in the final part of this video, I'm just using some more plastic conduit to further protect the VSR's DC cables and also to reinstall the cab's floor liner.